What is routing? Routing refers to the process of selecting a path for network traffic to travel from its source to its destination across a network. In computer networks, whether they are local or wide area, routers are devices that play a crucial role in this process. These routers use routing algorithms and protocols to determine the most efficient path for data packets to reach their intended destination. Key aspects of routing include routing tables. Routers maintain routing tables, which are essentially databases containing information about the network topology. These tables help routers make decisions about where to forward packets. Routing algorithms. These are sets of rules or algorithms that routers use to determine the best path for forwarding data. Various algorithms consider factors such as hop count, link quality, and network congestion. Routing protocols. These are sets of rules that routers use to communicate and share information about the network. Common routing protocols include Routing Information Protocol, Open Shortest Path First, and Border Gateway Protocol. Static routing versus dynamic routing. In static routing, network administrators manually configure the routing table, specifying the paths for data. Dynamic routing, on the other hand, involves routers dynamically exchanging information to adapt to changes in the network topology. Internet routing. On the global scale, the Internet uses a complex system of routers and routing protocols to facilitate data transfer between different networks and devices. When you send a message to your friend, the text is encoded by your phone, broken down into tiny pieces called packets, and sent over the network with the source and destination IP addresses attached. Once the packets have left your phone, other devices have to direct it to its final destination. Here is an example, will help you understand the concept of routing. When you're handing over a package to a delivery man, you can no longer determine where the package goes. You have to trust that the delivery man would deliver the package safely and in a timely manner. The delivery man has the delivery address, but there are many routes to his destination. On a road, two men may be engaging in a fistfight over a small motor accident. Another may have traffic. On another, there may be hip-shifting potholes. The man has to gather as much information as he can and find the fastest route to the location. That process is called routing. In the process of taking the fastest path, he's going to weave through many roads. His routing protocol is his method of deciding what road to take next. The address contains both the recipient's street name, network address, and house number, host name. Once on the recipient's street, the delivery man cannot find the next route again. It's a street. There are no multiple routes to take. He just needs to find the house number. Everyone on that street can get to each other's houses without looking in a map. They just have to walk down the street to find the house they are looking for. Very soon, they begin to know who owns what house. In networking, the house is called a host. It is a computer or mobile device on a network. The streets are networks, or local area networks. The IP address has a network part and a host part. The packets have to move through multiple routers to get to that local area network where the device resides. Then, it moves through a switch or transceiver or whatever device it is to the end device. Your friend device then reassembles the packets and he receives a message.